There was once a quiet village nestled between the hills, where mornings always began with golden light and the scent of fresh bread. Life moved slowly there. People worked hard, shared food, and told stories by candlelight. But even in this peaceful place, not everyone looked at life the same way. One day, something strange happened. At the edge of the village, where the road led to the city, a huge stone appeared right in the middle of the path. No one knew who had put it there or why. It was heavy, gray, and rough, like it had come from deep inside a mountain. Some said it must have fallen from above. Others said the king must be building something, but no one really cared to find out. They were all in a hurry to work, to trade, to meet someone, or simply to get to the other side. The first to pass by was a rich cloth seller. He wore silk robes and gold rings. When he saw the stone, he wrinkled his nose and said, why doesn't someone move this thing? How can the king let his roads look like this? But he didn't stop. He simply walked around the stone and went on with his day. Then came a soldier, riding a strong black horse. The horse neighed loudly and refused to go further. The man dismounted, kicked a pebble, and shouted, "What a mess! This is the king's job, not mine." He pulled the reins tight, took a longer way through the fields, and disappeared down another path. Day after day, people came and went. Merchants, travelers, even royal messengers. Some grumbled, some sighed, some even cursed under their breath. But no one touched the stone. Not even one person tried. Then one morning, just before the sun had fully risen, a young man appeared. His name was Eli. He was not rich. He did not wear gold or silk. His clothes were patched at the elbows. On his back, he carried a heavy basket filled with vegetables, radishes, potatoes, and cabbages from his family's small garden. Eli was on his way to the city market. He walked slowly, but with purpose, and when he saw the stone, he didn't speak. He didn't sigh. He didn't shake his head. He stopped, put down his basket, looked at the stone for a long moment, and then he pushed. At first, nothing happened. The stone didn't move at all. He leaned into it, pressed his shoulder, used both hands. Dust rose in the air. His arms trembled. His legs bent. A small cut opened on his finger from the sharp edge. Still, the stone stayed. Heavy, silent. A farmer passing by shouted, "Don't waste your time, boy. Just walk around it like everyone else." But Eli didn't stop. He wiped the sweat from his brow. He tried again. Minutes passed, maybe more. The wind whispered through the trees. Birds flew overhead. And slowly, inch by inch, the stone began to roll. With one final push, it moved off the road, settling near the side, away from where feet and wheels would pass. Eli sat down on the ground, breathing hard. His shirt clung to his back. He smiled just a little. He reached for his basket. But then something caught his eye. Right where the stone had been, there was something hidden in the dust. A small leather pouch tied with red string. He picked it up, unsure. Inside were gold coins. So many, he couldn't count them all. And with the coins, a piece of paper. The words were written in elegant ink. This reward is for the one who cared enough to act, not to complain, not to walk away, but to do something. The king, Eli blinked. For a moment, he didn't move. He didn't know whether to laugh or cry. No one had seen him. No one had thanked him. But someone had noticed, and someone had cared. That day, Eli sold his vegetables at the market. But now, he didn't have to. The gold could feed his family for months, maybe years. Still, when he returned home, he said nothing about the money. He just smiled, gave his mother a warm potato, and sat quietly by the fire. From that day on, people began to notice small changes. The same villagers who once ignored problems now stopped to help. They moved broken branches after a storm. They fixed fences without being asked. They picked up trash near the river. And when someone asked why, they would say, "Maybe there's gold under it." Then they would laugh. But deep inside, they all knew it wasn't about the gold. It was about doing the right thing, even when no one was watching, even when it was hard, even when others just walked by. Every stone in your path is a choice. You can walk around it, or you can move it. And sometimes, when you move it, you move something inside yourself, too. So next time life puts something heavy in your way, don't ask, "Why me?" Ask, "What can I do?"